Hello and welcome to Nutrition Academy, hosted by Nutrition Maker Software. My name is Doug and I'll be taking you through this tutorial today. Today we're going to show you how to add a recipe to Nutrition Maker Software. Now, Nutrition Maker Software does have hundreds of recipes already in the program. However, there will be times when you want to create your own recipes. They're not difficult to do, but they do take a little bit of knack in terms of learning how to do it. We hope this tutorial will make your job easier and make you more efficient with Nutrition Maker. If you're not our current customer and you're examining Nutrition Maker, please remember we have a free 2-week trial, no obligation, no credit card required. The link is down below. Plus, we have a discount code there as well. So let's get on with it. To create a recipe, go to the left menu and choose Settings. Drop down to Nutrition. Choose Recipes. Click on Add New Recipe. In this example, we're going to do a grilled ham and cheese sandwich. So the first thing you'll do is create the name for the recipe. You'll also want to know if this recipe makes a certain thing. In this case, it will make one sandwich. And that sandwich will be one serving, and the unit of each serving is the sandwich. However, you may have other recipes, like for instance, if you created a pizza, the recipe would make one pizza. The recipe might create 6 servings, noting that a pizza can be cut into 6 pieces. Each serving might be one slice. So now we've entered that information. The next thing is to create the recipe. We're going to put the instructions in for that recipe. Place 1 slice of ham, 1 slice of cheese between the bread, melt the butter in a frying pan, place the sandwich in the pan and brown to desired preference and serve. Next, you'll want to locate the ingredients. So we're going to come over here and we're going to search for bread, wheat. Drag that over to the right. Put in 2 slices. Next, we'll search for ham sliced. We'll change the units to slices. Next, we'll search for the cheese and the butter. You will be able to see all your nutritional information here, such as calories, cholesterol, carbs, saturated fat, fiber, protein, and sodium. You can also view it by the serving size or by the food in the recipe. Once done, click on Save. Now, if you want to locate your new recipe, you can do a search under the search window. And here you can see the new recipe. You can go in and edit this. You can copy that if you want to make additional or similar recipes, and you can delete it as well. Thanks for watching. If you've gotten value out of this tutorial, we hope that you would click on the like button. As well, you may want to click on the subscribe and notify button so that you can keep up to date on new training tutorials and any new features that we offer in Nutrition Maker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.